Good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnan Manjri Vidyapeeth standard 3rd. So students, in a previous lecture में हम लोगों ने सीखा था skip counting and multiples. So in a skip counting we have to complete table number 1 to 5 worksheet number first. Also we have to complete worksheet number 2 table number 6 to 10. Now we have to do worksheet number 3rd. In a worksheet number 3rd, multiplication tables are there. Okay, so what we have to do in the question number first is write the multiplication tables for the numbers below in your notebook. Now you all are knowing about the table number 1 to 10, right? So what you have to do, table number 4, 7, 9 and 10 you have to write in your notebook. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, you have to write table number 4, 7, 9 and 10 in your notebook. After that, second question is filling the blank. Second one question is, which one is that? Filling the blank. So let's do that. So here, question number second, filling the blank. So in that 3 into 5, 3 5s are 50. So what we have to write here, 5 0 50. 3 5s are 50. So here we have to write 1 5 15. 3 5s are 15. Here we have to write 1 5 15. 7 2s are 14. So what we have to write here, 1 4 14. 7 2s are 14. 4 7s are 28. Here we have to write 28. 4 7s are 28. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Now next one, 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. 5 10s are 50. 5 0 50. 6 6 are 36. 9 2s are 80. Here we have to write 80. 6 4s are 24. 9 9s are 81. Here we have to write 81. 7 5s are 35. Here we have to write 35. 4 8s are 32. So what we have to write here, 32. So students, now what you have to do, 3 2s are, now next question is 3 2s are 6. So what we have to write here, 6. 1 8s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 8 2s are 8 6 are 48. 10 8s are 80. 9 7s are 63. 5 6 are 30. 30. 8 7s are 56. So our answers are here. You have to write it down in your notebook. Okay kids? I'll give you 2 minutes. Copy it fast. Okay students, so table filling the blanks is completed. Now we'll start match the following to its correct product. What we have to do? Match the following to its correct products. So 5 9s are, 7 7s are, 2 10s are, 8 4s are, and 3 6s are. Okay, and here is the answer product. So we have to match it. 5 9s are, 45. So we have to find it out here. 45. So now you have to match it. 7 7s are 49. So here is the 49 is the answer. Match it, everyone. 2 10s are, 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. So here is a 20 number. Match it there. 8 4s are 32. Straight away is the 32 is the answer. 3 6s are, 80. So 80 is here. Now what you have to do? You have to copy it down in your worksheet book, page number 7. Okay, students. So match it. I will give you 1 minute. You have to complete it this. Okay. Okay, students, so I hope so your work is complete. Okay, now we'll start worksheet number 4. Worksheet number 4 is multiplication of 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Okay, so multiplication of the 2-digit number by 1-digit numbers using the column method. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Which method we have to use? Column method. Which method we have to use? Column method. So now in that, here is a 4 steps. How many steps are here? 4 steps. Our question is multiply is 34 into 2. 34 into 2. So in that we have to follow some steps. Okay, step 1. Write the 2-digit numbers in the tens and ones column. Now each and every time when we write the number, at that time we have to write here ones, tens and 100, right? So what we have to do? 2-digit numbers जो है वो हम कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? Where we write वंस एंड टेंस की जहाँ पे कॉलम्स है, टेंस एंड वंस का कॉलम है, वहां पे हम वी हैव टू राइट इट 34. वहां पे हम लिखेंगे 34. ओके, नाउ व्हाई वी हैव टू राइट द 34? बिकॉज द 34 इज द मल्टीपल्स. नाउ स्टेप 2. Step 2 is write the 1-digit number below the 2-digit number in the ones column. Now we have to write the 2, but where we write the 2? Ones columns. कौन सी columns में हम लिखेंगे? Ones columns. Okay. Now multiply the 1-digit number by the numbers in the ones column of the 2-digit number. Write the products in the ones column. Now अभी हमें क्या करना है? जो हमारा ones columns में 2-digit का जो नंबर से 4 है और यहाँ पे हमारे पास ones की कॉलम में 2 प्रोडक्ट से 2, right? So what we have to write? 2 4s are 8. What we have to write here? 2 4s are 8. Now that 8 we have to write in the ones place. Where we have to write? Ones place, because this answer is a ones place. Now step number 4. Multiply the 1-digit number by the numbers in the tens columns of the two-digit number, write the products in the tens place. Now tens place का जो आंसर है, where we have to write tens place. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So what we have to write here? 6. So our answer is 34 into 2. So our answer is 68. Our answer is 68. Okay students. So this one is a method. We have to follow the method. Which method we have to write? कॉलम मेथड. कॉलम मेथड में से ही हम आंसर्स लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्कशीट नंबर 5. Worksheet number 5 is multiplication of the two-digit number by one-digit numbers. Multiply the following using the column method. Now which method we have to use here? Column method. So let's start sum number first. Sum number first is A1 sum 21 into 3. 21 into 3. So what we have to draw here? Here we have to draw sum. First of all we have to write ones, tens and 100. 21s we have to write in a which place? Tens and ones column. किसकी columns में हम लिखेंगे? Tens and ones की columns में. After that we have to write 3 in a ones column. Now here we have to put the sign of the multiplication. Now 3 ones are 3. So here what we have to write? 3. 3 twos are 6. So here we have to write 6. Here we have to write 6. So answer is 21 into 3 is equal to 63. 21 into 3 is equal to 63. Now next sum, B1 sum, 41 into 2. 41 into 2. So here we have to make the columns 100, tens and ones. So in that we have to write 41 in the tens and ones column. After that multiply sign and write the 2 in the ones columns. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2. What we have to write here? 2. 2 fours are 8. So our answers is 41 into 2 is equal to 82. 41 into 2 is equal to 82. Now next one sum is C1 sum. Next one sum is a C1 sum. Okay. So in that question is 61 into 3. 61 into 3. So what we have to write here? 100 tens and ones. After that we have to write 61 in tens and ones column. Multiply sign we have to do and we have to write the 3 numbers in the ones column. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 80. So we have to write 1 in 100 place and 8 we have to write in a tens place. So our answer is 61 into 3 is equal to 183. Okay. Now next sum. Next sum is 42 into 3. 42 into 3. So here we have to write ones, tens and 100, and 42 we have to write in the tens and ones place. After that multiply sign and write the 3 in a one place. 3 twos are 6, we have to write 6 in the one place. 3 fours are 12. So we have to write 2 in the tens place and write the ones in the 100 place. So our answer is 42 into 3 is equal to 126. Now students, first you have to write sum number A and B in your worksheet number 5. I will give you 2 minutes, complete your writing work. Okay? Okay students, now you have to write sum number C and sum number D in your worksheet book, worksheet number 5. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोगों ने क्या किया? आज हम लोगों ने वर्कशीट नंबर 3 इन अ वर्कशीट नंबर 3 मैथ द फॉलोइंग एंड फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किया, राइट? आफ्टर दैट वर्कशीट नंबर 4 इन अ वर्कशीट नंबर 4 में हम लोगों ने सीखा है 2 डिजिट नंबर, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ द 2 डिजिट नंबर बाय 1 डिजिट नंबर, 2 डिजिट नंबर और 1 डिजिट नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना. आफ्टर दैट वर्कशीट नंबर 5 में हमने 4 सम्स किए, राइट? वो 4 सम्स की हम लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस की हाउ टू डू द कॉलम मेथड कैसे करनी है, राइट? नाउ व्हाट इज योर होमवर्क? योर होमवर्क इज कंप्लीट द वर्कशीट नंबर 5 सम नंबर EFGH. That sums you have to write in yourself. I will send the answers in a WhatsApp group. So what you have to do? Tally the answers tally कर लेना, ठीक है? Okay everyone. Answers आपकी tally हो जाए. After that you have to send the homework on time before 3 o'clock. आप लोगों को homework के वो क्या करना है? You have to send the homework before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, so now our worksheet number 5 यहाँ पे complete हो गई है. Now next जो हमारा ऑनलाइन क्लास होगा उसमें हम लोग सीखेंगे 3 डिजिट नंबर. बट स्टूडेंट्स, बी केयरफुल अबाउट द टेबल्स. अगर आप लोगों को टेबल्स नंबर 1 to 10 नहीं आ रहा है, देन यू कांट डू द मल्टीपल सम्स. आप लोग मल्टीपल्स के सम्स से वो नहीं कर पाओगे. So what you have to do first you have to learn the tables every day. Every day you have to learn tables, at least read it 2 or 3 times. Okay, so you have to remember all the things and you have to write the answers also. That's the reason what you have to do, learn the tables. Okay everyone, and send the homework before 3 o'clock. Okay, bye, have a nice day.